Most beginners will try to make money online in 2026 and fail in the first month. You watch tutorials, take notes, try every tip, yet your bank account stays the same. You see others making money online and wonder, why not me? Here's the truth, it's not your effort. It's the outdated way people chase online income. Methods from 2018 won't work today. Making money online isn't about working harder. It's about placing yourself where attention and money are already flowing. Step 1. Don't start with a product. Focus on attention first. Build an audience. Platforms pay attention, not ideas. Step 2. Master one skill that turns attention into cash. Editing, writing, or short-form content. Your skill makes you visible online. Step 3. Monetize before you feel ready. Freelancing, affiliate offers, digital services. Most beginners quit here, don't be one. Comment 2026 if you want the full breakdown of Step 1. The next video will show how beginners make their first dollar faster than ever. Remember, attention first, skills second, monetization third. Start smart in 2026 and stop wasting time on methods that don't work.